What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S23. Both of these devices are exactly same in terms of hardware specs. The only difference is in terms of screen size, and the Galaxy S23 we got comes with 8GB RAM while we got 12GB RAM on S23 Ultra here. So let's see which device is going to be better in terms of benchmarking test scores. So these are the applications we got today on our Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Ultra. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Samsung Galaxy S23 scored 1.225937 million points and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1.247931 million points. So as you can see that performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is better in Antutu benchmark. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can see that in all of these four, CPU, GPU, memory and UX, performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is better compared to Samsung Galaxy S23, and that's why this is the winner in Antutu benchmark. Now if you go back from here to the next test, and that's 3D Mark. So here in wildlife, both of these devices maxed out. If we are talking about the wildlife extreme, then Samsung Galaxy S23 scored 3870 and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 3810. So the performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 is a bit better compared to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we can give the credit to the smaller screen with the exact same resolution as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and so it is contributing in the overall better performance in terms of GPU here. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the last test, that's Geekbench 5. So here Samsung Galaxy S23 scored 1563 in single core and 5080 in multi-core, while Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1537 in single core and 4921 in multi-core. So once again, this time as well, performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 is slightly better compared to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you go back from here and have a look on the compute test score result, so this time performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is better as it scored 10,588 compared to 10,531 of Samsung Galaxy S23. So the difference we are getting between these two devices is very minute because both of them are pretty much same in terms of hardware. As I said, the only difference is in terms of screen size and the amount of RAM we got. So it does not matter which device you are going to get, you will be totally happy with the flagship performance you will get with Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Ultra. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.